sometimes it's hard to focus on your work. You know, you can do anything in Google Classroom or on your iPad, and everything's going well, and then you get, a pop. Seriously? Okay, so you try to focus, and then again, like, all right, I'm back in the zone, and then you get another pop. This just doesn't make sense. How can you stop these notification pop-ups? Well, one thing you can do is go to your settings, that gray gear down at the bottom, then click notifications, find the offending app, in this case Hangouts, and I recommend completely turning off your notifications, but you can also turn off sounds or choose where the notification appears. So in this case, it was a drop-down banner. Notification grouping and all that, show previews. So you can, tell it what you want. Again, the safest one is just turn off your notifications. You don't really need to be gotten all the time. So this works for any app. So if Gmail's giving you notifications when you don't want, or YouTube, or Google Classroom or chat, then you can limit those notifications in your settings. Hopefully that helps. And if you have an idea for a tech tip, email tjhsnews@jcsdk12.org.